Now let me show you how to actually promote those t-shirts and those designs in your videos. So how can you actually drive traffic from your Faceless YouTube video to your print-on-demand store? First of all, I will show you how some other people are doing it, and then I will show you how I would personally do it with my Faceless YouTube channel. So this is like a compilation type of YouTube channel, and they're uploading like Ultimate Tag Life compilations, which were like extremely popular in 2015, 2016. So I'm gonna play the video so you can see how they're promoting their print-on-demand store in the beginning of their video. So they're telling people, so they're creating a call to action and then sending people to their print-on-demand store. So they're actually screen recording their print-on-demand store, and they're putting that in some text overlay that says, like in the beginning it said order now, and some finger pointing to the link in the description box. So that's how this compilation channel is doing it, and this one was absolutely big. Like, this is a re-uploaded video, but this channel was actually extremely big back in 2015. They were getting millions and millions of views, and the only way they were able to monetize their channel was through the merch and through all of these designs that they were selling, these print-on-demand stores. And the reason I know this is a print-on-demand store is because they actually showed that. So let me just show that. It's like on Spreadshirt, and Spreadshirt is extremely similar thing to teespring.com. So that's how they were doing it. And as I said, the only way they were able to monetize their channel was through print on demand. But if your channel is not based only on compilations of other videos of other people's content, then you can also promote print on demand, but also make money from Google AdSense, from all sorts of different things. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that it did work. So they were getting millions of views, and they were able to sustain their YouTube channel just because they had a call to action in the beginning of their videos that sent people to their print-on-demand store. So what I would do is, for example, I would open up coffee designs. Let's say my channel and my videos are about coffee. Then I would open up some folder from Done For You Designs, and I would find some nice design that I like. Let's try with this first one. Let's see what this one says. So all you need is coffee. This is a really nice design. I would honestly put this in different products. So what I would do is click on the download button to download that. Then I will go back to Teespring or any other print-on-demand platform that you are using. I would select which products I want to sell. I'm once again gonna go just with t-shirts, the most basic ones, just to explain you how this is gonna go. So once again, add an image. So add the design which I previously downloaded a second ago. Wait until it loads. This is how it's going to look like. Of course, I can also customize the size. I can make it smaller or bigger. It really depends on you. I just like it like this, so I will leave it the same size. I will not change the price of the t-shirt or anything like that. I'm just gonna continue with this, and I will also only continue with this one single style of this man t-shirt. I'm gonna give it a title. So for example, all you need is coffee. The description is gonna say like for all coffee lovers, and then the URL is gonna say all you. All right, this one is actually taken, so let's try with something else. All you need is coffee right now, or something like that. Oh, between 4 and 30 characters. So all you need is coffee now, or something like that. Yeah, okay. This is gonna be our basic example URL, and I will just publish the listing. I will wait until that loads, and let's see how that's gonna look like. So this is our store. This is our t-shirt that we are selling. This is the product. As you can see, all you need is coffee. This is a classic tee. Here's our design. Here are the different colors. I only selected the white color. These are the different sizes that a customer can select. They can add the cart and they can purchase immediately, and we will earn a commission. Now we can grab our store link. So this is your store link. I'm gonna copy this link. Now I will customize this link with Bitly. So Bitly is a link shortening service, and you can sign up to it for absolutely free. Just go over to bit.ly. You can click on the create button if you signed up. If not, you can just use their free feature, which is going to allow you to just shorten the link. But if you want to customize the link, which is also free, you will need to create your free account. As you can see, Dave Nick free account right here. I will click on create. I will paste the long URL of my store in this box right here. I will click create, and now I can customize this link to be more clickable. So instead of these random letters, like instead of this random code, I'm actually going to type in something nice. For example, this is for all coffee lovers, or something along those lines. Let's see if this is available. yeah, this is for all coffee lovers. This is now my link. It's a lot better. It looks a lot more simple, like bit.ly/this is for all coffee lovers, instead of that long URL that no one would probably even remember. But now to add those t-shirts to my videos, let me show you how I would personally do it. So I would go back to that store. So I would once again click on my link, open up the store, and open up the t-shirt design which I just made, or whatever product you just made. I would right click on this image, save image as. This is the most simple and the most basic way to do this. There are of course more advanced things that you can do, but I'm just showing you like extremely simple and easy how to go around this. And once you've downloaded that product image with your design, you can go to remove.bg, and that's gonna remove the background of that product. So I will upload the image which I just downloaded from my store. I will wait until that loads, and let me show you what that's gonna do. So as you can see now, remove.bg has automatically removed the background for me, and now I can use this PNG file in my videos, and it's gonna look a lot better. So I'm gonna download the HD file, I'm gonna download this to my computer, and now I'm gonna open up my video editing software. And it really doesn't matter which video editing software you use, you can still pretty much do the same thing. For example, I don't use Canva to edit my videos, but I also want to explain to you exactly how you can do it if you don't want to pay for any video editing software and you don't want to pay video editor to do this for you. If you want to do it yourself and you want to do it for free, but you don't have professional video editing skills, just open up Canva. This is again like a really good solution, because Canva is in most of the cases free, so you can sign up for free, and it's cloud based, so you don't have to install anything, and it's extremely beginner friendly. So what I will need to do is, I will for example add a different background. I don't know, I just personally love different backgrounds. So we'll go to backgrounds here on the left hand side, and I recently used this one because it's really nice, so I will go with this background. This looks pretty good, and I will upload my video. So let's say, for example, I want to make a compilation of different coffee related videos, so I can add this. And now instead of making an intro before the video starts and making an intro that's going to send people to the link in the description, I want to add my own call to action on the left and on the right side, because we have all of this free space throughout the entire video. I want to have the call to action to remind people to use the link in the description to buy some products from our print-on-demand store. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to upload media. So I'm going to upload the image that we previously downloaded from remove.bg, so our product without a background. Once it uploads, I'm just going to click on that, and now I can put my products on the left and on the right side. So I will put it somewhere around here. I will make it look a little bit better. Now I can copy this, so I'm using my keyboard to copy this, so I'm using Control-C and then Control-V to copy this. Of course, you don't have to use any shortcuts on the keyboard. You also have a button right here that's going to duplicate the item for you, so you don't have to worry about that. Now this looks nice, and I also want to add some call to action. So maybe I'm going to add some text. I'm going to find some nice font, nice text from the left-hand side. Coffee, please. Yeah, this actually fits perfectly. I would create a nice, just think about what would be the perfect call to action for you. So maybe you can just say order now, like the person did in the previous video that I showed you. Order now. I'm gonna duplicate this. Order now. And I also want to say link in the description. Or maybe just create an arrow that's going to point down. So I'm going to go to elements. I'm going to go to lines and shapes. And I can, of course, use this arrow right here. But let's try to find something different. Maybe this arrow. Let's actually search for it. This is nice. I can also have an arrow with animation. So that's actually going to be a lot more engaging. So I can put this. This would probably be a lot more engaging, to be honest. And I'm gonna duplicate this file, this part, and I'm gonna place it here. And now while people are watching this video, they can see here on the left side and on the right side, it always says order now, and this is pointing to the link in the description box down below, and they can see the t-shirt that is related to something that they're interested in. Because obviously if they're watching a video, let's say your video is about weight loss, and you have different weight loss products on the left and on the right side with a call to action, big call to action, most of them will end up clicking on the link. And especially if you can offer them some special deals like 50% off today or 10% off or 20% off. It doesn't need to be something crazy, but if you just create a nice call to action, most of them will end up clicking on the link, and some of them might end up buying your products from the description box. Once you're done editing, just click on the download button, and this done video will be onto your computer and it will be ready to upload to your Faceless YouTube channel.